Andrea here. Welcome and welcome back to my channel, aka my internet home.
Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison.
So for today's video, I'm going to be installing this beautiful blonde bob wig from Beeos hair. But before we get into that video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you are notified every single time I post, because I am on my way to 4K and I want you guys with me every step of the way. Now that that's all done, let's get right into the video.
Baby, I just don't get it. Do you enjoy being hurt? I know you smell the perfume, the makeup on his shirt. You don't believe his stories. You know that there are lies. Bad as you are, you stick around, and I just don't know why. If I was your man, baby, you never worry about what I do. I'd be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman to deserve good things. Fist full of diamonds, head full of rain. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. A baby, good love and protection. Make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you, love you. Yeah. Listen, your true beauty's description looks so good that it hurts. You're a dime plus 99, and it's a shame. Don't even know what you're worth. Everywhere you go, they stop and stare, 'cause you're bad and it shows. From your head to your toes, out of control. Baby, you know. Baby, you never worry about what I do. I be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman that deserves good things. Full of diamonds, a handful of rings. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Oh, baby, good love and protection. Oh, make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me. You deserve more. You know you deserve better. We should be together, baby. With me and you, it's whatever, girl. Hey, so can we make this thing ours? You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give all that and need. Everything you need. Said everything. Your selection. Will you take me, baby? Supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything and need. That good love and protection. Make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Love you, love you, want to give you everything you want and need. Ooh, baby. Protection, selection, selection. Supposed to be. Yeah, let me love you. That's all we need, baby.
It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen a hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I said, yeah, 'cause I wanna meet you. On second thought, that ain't the way you go. I gotta give her things my boo. City, so she get it, 'cause she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time. She's at the door, I gotta go for mine. I think I'll see her.
Okay, so I am back. I just did my makeup and changed my outfit so that you guys can get like the full effect of this look. I really like the way that this came out, guys. I got a mirror here if I'm looking down. Okay, so this hair is from Beeos Hair. Their hair is available on Amazon, so I will have this hair in my Amazon storefront, and I will have that linked down below. This is their Ash Blondes Bob wig. I have this in the 12-inch length. I have this in 12 inches. I think this is super pretty. I really like the way that this came out. I think this is really great summer hair. It's really light and airy. But this is the Beeos 3x4 Skin Like Real HD Lace Wig. Ash Blonde Straight Bob Human Hair Wig with dark roots, pre-plucked bleach knots, ombre short, invisible lace. Oh, it's 150 density, middle part 12-inch wig. Y'all, that's a really long name. It's like an ombre ash blonde. It does have the darker roots and then the blonde hair, so it does look a little more natural, I guess. I kind of do like the darker roots and then the blonde's hair, and it's 150% density. I don't really think it's 150% density. I don't think the hair feels that dense to me. I feel like this feels more like 130, and maybe because it's in a shorter length, I don't feel like it's that dense. They say 150. I'm feeling 130. I don't know. That noise right there, that's my air conditioner because it's way too hot outside. It's like 90 something degrees, so it's way too hot for me to film and not have my air conditioner on. I just cannot do it. I really love like the asymmetrical bob, so it means that it is just a little bit longer in the front and shorter in the back. I want to say the front might be like the longest length of this might be like a 14 inch, like a little bit at the 14, but the majority of the hair is 12 inches. The only thing I don't necessarily like is that in the back the hair does have a tendency to like flip up, like upwards, instead of just being like curved under. So maybe if I would have got this in like 10 inches and then the front in 12, it wouldn't necessarily hit the base of my neck, so it wouldn't be doing that like flip thing. So, you know, I'm just kind of sort of bringing like the hair like this so that it doesn't give me like that reverse swoop, that I don't necessarily like. But besides that, I really do like this hair. I didn't bleach the knots on this wig at all. I just went in with my Ebin lace tint. Sorry, I have like baby hair in my eyelashes. I just went in with my Ebin lace tint and I tinted it up. I probably could go back in and bleach the knots, but it's really not that serious to me. I did not pluck this wig at all, and I feel like it gives like a good hairline. Like, don't you think that gives like a good hairline? I'm looking in the mirror here. I feel like it gives a good hairline, so that's why I didn't pluck it. A lot of wigs say that they're pre-plucked and they're not, but this one definitely. Sorry about that, my camera died. But I'm just gonna make it short, simple, and to the point. I recommend this hair. I definitely do recommend this hair, especially for the summertime, since it is, I mean, the summer's kind of dwindling down, but if you want to get your like little last bits of like summer fun, this cute little blonde bob, definitely a vibe. And honestly, you could probably transition this to like fall. Like you could do this, you could rock this September, you could rock this like you can rock this from like August to September, switch it out in October type of stuff, you know? Like, I think it's a cute little vibe. I like it very, very much, and I'm kind of mad that I didn't install this hair longer. I've had this hair for a little bit, and I've just been sleeping on this wig. I really like the way that it looks. I really like the way that this hair looks, and I will definitely recommend it. So if you guys are interested in this hair, I will leave all of its specs and then the Amazon storefront that it is linked into. I will leave all of that down in my description box, so make sure you check that out. That is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you give me a big old thumbs up and let me know down in the comments if you like this summer blondes bob, because you know I do. If you didn't get to at the beginning of the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you are notified every single time I post, because I'm on my way to 4K and I want you guys with me every step of the way. I love you all so much, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye.
Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison. I'm a